What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy here with Sinister Productions with another vlog. If you watched the last vlog, you saw that I got a set of GTR wheels for my 1992 Skyline GTST. We put those on the car. I ordered a set of tires, and actually we're gonna go put those tires on today and get those. We're gonna run up to Discount Tire where I had them ordered, and we're gonna go get them put on, get them installed. So hang on, we're gonna take you guys with me and we'll see you there. All right, we are back. I actually just got back with the tires. I went ahead and had them put on. Sorry I didn't get a chance to take you guys with me, but it got kind of hectic, so I ended up just getting it done and, you know, getting the tires put on the car and just bringing it back home. So I'm gonna show you right now which tires I decided to go with for my R32 GTR wheels. Here they are. So I actually went with the Continental Extreme Contact Sport. It's a pretty sticky tire. It kind of compares to like a Michelin, but these are fairly sticky, as you can kind of see. Picked up all kinds of crap just pulling into the into my driveway on the way home, but I actually like them a lot. I'm gonna end up getting these wheels refinished. You know, because it's got a couple marks on them, like right here. Nothing major. A little bit of rash. And of course the center caps. These all do that. So I'm probably going to get these things refinished and all the curb rash taken off of them. That's the only little bit of rash on that one. All the other wheels look pretty good, except for one. One has got some really bad rash in it. And it's this rear one. But it's got rash all through here and a little bit on the other side, and it's got some nicks and dings where people have just kind of jammed in probably like an air gun or something to take lug nuts off or whatever, and not really, you know, being very careful with it. But I'm going to, now that I got the wheels on the car and the tires and brand new tires on the car, I'm gonna get one of my guys that I know that redoes wheels, and I'm gonna get him to refinish these wheels and make them look all nice and pretty and shiny and clean and new again. So, and we got Sinister, aka Pumpkin Spice, over there looking good. All right, guys, like, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll see you on the next one. Later.
Change me, nobody ever gonna phase me. No fake accounts like KD, doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to.